so let's begin. We'll start with sitting asana. Okay, okay, all sit in cross leg. Easy pose, easy asana. So in cross leg, you can say easy asana. Now, number 2, your back is fully straight. Back is straight. Now, shoulder is down and relaxed. Now, chin up to the ground. Do not look down, okay? Always look up this way. Your chin is parallel to the ground. Okay, clear your sitting asana. Sit in easy pose. Back is straight. Shoulder relaxed. Chin parallel to the ground. And your fingers in Gyan Mudra. Your thumb and first finger gently touch. So thumb and first finger gently touch. Other 3 fingers fully straight. Okay. Now put on your knees. Now see, my elbow is full. So check your elbows. My elbow is full. Your elbow also full. This is correct sitting posture. So this sitting posture name is E for easy asana. Now, first we practice first breathing technique, deep breathing. Deep breathing means you just try to long inhale, but your exhale is very, very slow. Now all together, okay? All together, long inhale. Now slowly exhale. Long breath, inhale. Now slowly exhale. आपको सिर्फ लंबी गहरी सांस लेनी है, then फिर धीरे exhale करना है. Means if you inhale in 1 second, then your exhale is double, 2, 3 or 4 seconds. Clear one deep breathing? Now practice together. Okay. Fingers in Gyan Mudra, back straight. Okay, now all together. Practice with me. Long inhale. Slowly exhale. Long inhale. Slowly exhale. No Arush, no chest movement, no abdomen movement. Now second breathing technique we learn Anulom Vilom, means alternate nostril breathing. Means you inhale from one nostril, then exhale from other nostril. Okay, all together. Just listen the instruction. Okay. So in Anulom Vilom, use your right hand. Very good. Now right hand count to close your right nostril. Very good. Now inhale from left. Right is closed. So inhale from left. Okay. Now left close. Right open. Exhale. Okay. So one thumb, one finger. If you exhale from right, so inhale from same right inhale. Again, right close, left open, exhale. Again, same left inhale. Now right close, left open, exhale. 5 minutes, 10 minutes is enough to practice. Now, third breathing technique, Sudarshan Kriya. This way, show me your palm. All together, show me your palm. Where is your palm? You know how to monkey jump? So your hand is jump like a monkey. Start jumping. Yay. Show me your hands. Now with breathing, inhale and face your hand. Exhale and down. Okay. Now all together. All show me your palm and start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we learn humming. The humming sound. You know the bee sound? All you know the Madhumati ka sound like a. This is bee breathing. which we learn now. Okay. Now first, just normal inhale. Now this is B. Show me. B. Yes. Now start sound. Very good. Now 5 times all together. Okay. But no use of mouth. This sound is coming from your throat. Okay. Again, number 2. Inhale. Breathe out. Okay. Now stretching time. So first, legs in front and sit relaxed. This way. This is Vishram position. Yes. Ankle rotation. Rotate your ankle this way. Both feet together and just rotate. Very good. Slow. Very slow. Okay. Slowly rotate. And see, watch your ankle. Watch your ankle and start rotation. Very good. Relax. Okay, now one leg fold and lift. Leg up to the ground. Do not touch the mat or bed. Okay. Now, straight and hold. Straight and hold. Straight and hold. Relax. Now change. Yes. Now straight. Okay. Now stretching a movement for your shoulder. So first, hold your shoulder here. Very good. Now elbows in front and touch. Okay. Now 4 count. 1 is fully straight. Fully straight, straight. Now it's time to open your shoulder joints. 2 is fully stretch and back. I'm watching you. 2, full stretch back. 3, down and touch your side. 4, front and elbow touch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last, neck rotation. Then we do some asanas, some animal asanas. Okay. So first, neck rotation. So neck down, look down, and start rotation left. Fully go back. Right. Center. Make a big circle. So again, start rotation. 2. Now we practice cat and cow. Okay. Where is cat and cow? Here. Now, raise your neck. This is cow. Look up and slowly look down. Cat. So this is cat and cow. Now we practice dog pose. And thank you so much for joining and practice with me.